Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing the Airpods second generation, as you can see right here. And pretty much since the release of the first generation Airpods in December 2016, there has been a series of Airpods that have been released since then. That is the Airpods second generation, Airpods Pro, Airpods Max, and then the Airpods third generation. However, today I'll be unboxing the Airpods second generation, and that being said, let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we have the documentation, the user guide and manual right there. Then we have our Airpods right there, and then go ahead and open up. Then we have our lightning to USB-A cable right there. So this is the lightning to USB-A cable. Then these are the Airpods, and then the documentation that it comes with it. So we shall put that aside. So go ahead and open up this. So those are your Airpods right there. Then we have our Airpods case. As you can see, they are super clean right there. Then your right and then the left Airpods. So these Airpods, they work well with your iPhone, your iPad, your Mac PC, Apple Watch, and other Apple devices. So the Airpods themselves, each of them weighs 0.14 ounce, that is about 4 grams, and then the height is 1.59 inch, which is approximately 40.5 millimeter, and then the width is 0.65 inch, which is approximately 16.5 millimeters, and then with the Airpod case it weighs around 1.35 ounce, which is around 38.2 grams. So with these Airpods you have up to 5 hours of listening time and up to 3 hours of talk time with a single charge. So the Airpods with a charging case, you have more than 24 hours of listening time and then up to 18 hours of talk time. I will go ahead and connect these to our iPhone, and then we see how it goes. So this is my iPhone, as you can see right here. So to connect to the Airpods, so I'll go ahead and open up the Airpods, and then that animation will pop up right there. So go ahead and tap on connect. Hopefully you guys can see. So go ahead and tap on connect, and right there it's connecting. And there you go. So it has already connected, as you can see, and right now you can go ahead and use your Airpods. Alright, so that way your Airpods are being connected to your iPhone. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you learned something out of this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make it a point to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new videos like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.